Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. A few videos back I talked about 5 of my most loved large eyeshadow palettes, and I said that I would be showing and sharing with you the smaller eyeshadow palettes as well in my future videos. So today I would be sharing 5 of my most loved and most used smaller eyeshadow palettes that are very easily available in India. So let's just get started with the video. Before starting with the first one, I just want to say that these eyeshadow palettes are in no particular order. I use all 5 of them and I do love all of them. So the first one that I would like to share with you is this Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. So Wet n Wild was launched in India around a year and a half back, and this is one of the most favorite and the most loved drugstore brand in the States. And it wasn't earlier available in India, and when they launched in India, I assumed that the prices would be a little on the higher side because of the duties and the taxations, but surprisingly the prices of Wet n Wild products are amazingly affordable, and this 10 pan eyeshadow palette retails for just 499 rupees. So these palettes come in a variety of colors. I'll just mention the exact number of colors here. So they are available in a lot of colors, and the most loved one is this shade called Rosé in the Air. I can say that this is the most loved one because it is almost every time out of stock, and I was lucky enough to grab it a few months back. So since then I have used it a couple of times, and I can say that for the price range it has amazing quality. So it doesn't open like this, it opens like this, and this is how all the shades look like. These two are the transition shades, and all the others can be used in the crease. I don't actually follow the pattern given, like this is the transition or this is not the transition shade. I just use whatever I feel like in my crease to do my look. So let me swatch a couple of these for you. Can you see how pigmented they are? This is how the 4 colors look like. You can't actually see the shimmer shade right now because the camera is not exactly picking up the shade, but on the lid, especially if you apply it using your finger, it is beautiful. Now coming to the next eyeshadow palette that I use more often is this one from Lakme. This is a regular Lakme 4 pan palette which is available in the market since I was a kid. I used to see these palettes when I was in my school, but at that time I didn't used to do my makeup. But when I started doing my makeup, I bought this palette not just in 1 but 2 shades. The 2 shades I have from the collection is called Silk Root, which is this one, Silk Root. And the second one is called Tanjore Rush. This is how both the palettes look like. So now, to be honest, I won't say that I use these palettes on like everyday basis because these are more on the shimmery side, but these palettes are perfect for any sort of occasional makeup. These palettes are available in 6 different color options and they retail for 650 rupees each. So I would be swatching the shade Tanjore Rush. Okay, so here are the 4 colors. These are really pigmented. Can you just see the pigmentation? I'll just swatch it live. Just look how pigmented these are. The colors do seem a little powdery on the hand swatch, but when you apply it on your eye using a blush, there is almost no fallout at all. And all of them blend super easily with each other and with other colors from other eyeshadow palettes, and they look beautiful on the lids. Okay, the third eyeshadow palette that I have been using quite often in the past few months is this 10 pan shadow palette from Nykaa. Now these were launched not too long ago and they are available in 5 color options and they retail for 599 rupees. For 599 rupees, this is an amazing option. I personally like to use pinks on my eyes, and this is the reason I bought shade Daydreaming. Let me just show it to you. This is how the palette Daydreaming looks like. It has an array, different variety and different shades of pink. A few of them are shiny and shimmery and the other few are matte, and a lot of different pink looks can be created using this single eyeshadow palette. Swatching a few shades from this. I'll just grab the 4 which are next to each other and swatching right here. Whoa, can you see the pigmentation? The sparkly, the foily shades are beautiful on the lids, and they can be used using both fingers as well as an eyeshadow brush. I have tried using these eyeshadow palettes wet and they do look good, but they work equally well with a dry brush. So the next eyeshadow palette is a comparatively new addition in my collection, and I have actually already reviewed this eyeshadow palette on my channel. I would be linking the video in the description box down below. The eyeshadow palette that I'm talking about is from Nicka K Makeup, and the shade is called Under the Sea. Now this eyeshadow palette is so versatile. It has 9 shades, both shimmery and matte, and a lot of looks can be created using just this eyeshadow palette. It has a matte brown, a dark brown, yellows, blues, greens. You can create a simple eye look or a festive look just using this eyeshadow palette, and this retails for 599 rupees, and it's very easily available on many different websites. Watching some of the shades from this palette, I'll just grab the 2 bright ones and then this and the matte brown. See, can you just see how bright and beautiful these foil shadows are? Now coming to the 5th and the final eyeshadow palette that I would like to share in this video. I kept this particular eyeshadow palette for the last because this is comparatively the biggest of all. This eyeshadow palette is from NYX Cosmetics and it contains 16 shades. The name of the eyeshadow palette is Brights, and it contains 16 bright shades. Now this eyeshadow palette does not have any shimmery shades apart from just 2 which have small amount of sparkles in it, but this has all the colors of the rainbow, all the bright colors you can think of. It doesn't have a matte brown or a matte black, so this palette alone cannot be used to create everyday eye look. But if you are somebody like me who love to create colored eyeshadow looks, then this is the palette for you. The eye look that I currently have on, I created using this eyeshadow palette, and I just use 3 colors from this. I use this bright red one, this matte baby pink, and this bright purpley shade. And this is my eye look looks like. NYX makes some beautiful eyeshadow palettes, but this is something I had my eyes on for a very long time, and this is also amongst one of the products from NYX that is almost every time sold out. This particular eyeshadow palette from NYX retails for 1725 rupees, which is slightly on the higher side as compared to all the other palettes that I showed in the video. But this has 16 shades as compared to 10 or just 4 that are available in other palettes. Now swatching some of the shades from this palette. Shades are matte, a little powdery, but they look beautiful and they blend easily with each other. So that are all the 5 palettes that I use more often and which are small and decently priced and very easily available in India. Amongst all the 5 eyeshadows that I showed, this Under the Sea eyeshadow palette is my current favorite because this is something that I bought recently and I have been using it on repeat. Apart from these 5 eyeshadow palettes, I would like to mention just 2 more palettes which are smaller in size but not exactly very affordable. These are the 2 Huda Beauty Obsession palettes that I own. I have the shade Sapphire Obsession and Topaz Obsession. This is how both the shades look like. I love using these eyeshadow palettes, especially the Sapphire one. But they are a little on the pricier side. Each one of these retail for 24.95 rupees, which is a lot as compared to the others that I showed in the video. But I do love the way they look. I do love the quality. I'm planning to buy the Emerald Obsession palette too, but it is out of stock right now, and because they are a little on the pricier side, I would like to wait for the sale, and I hope that this time that Emerald Obsession palettes comes on sale too. By the way, I bought both of these on sale and they were on a 25% discount in last year's Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video and would like to see some more of my favorite makeup products, then do comment in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.